Welcome to our beard battle. Today we're comparing two top grooming tools, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit and the MANSCAPED Beard Hedger. Both are designed to help you achieve the perfect beard, but they cater to different grooming needs. Let's dive into their features and see which one comes out on top. The Braun All-in-One Style Kit is a versatile grooming tool designed for multiple tasks, including beard trimming, body grooming, and hair clipping, making it a great all-in-one solution. In contrast, the MANSCAPED Beard Hedger is specifically designed for beard trimming, focusing on precision and ease of use. While the Braun kit offers a broader range of functionalities, the MANSCAPED trimmer excels in delivering a specialized grooming experience. When it comes to precision, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit offers an impressive 40 length settings, allowing for highly customizable grooming options. The MANSCAPED Beard Hedger, while having fewer options with 20 length settings, is designed for quick and efficient trimming, providing a smooth experience with its titanium-coated stainless steel blade. Both tools ensure a precise cut, but Braun's extensive settings may appeal to those who prefer more control. User experience varies significantly between these two products. The Braun All-in-One Style Kit, while versatile, can be a bit bulky and heavy for extended use, which might be a concern for some users. On the other hand, the MANSCAPED Beard Hedger is lightweight and ergonomically designed, making it comfortable to use, even in the shower. This focus on ease of use makes the MANSCAPED trimmer an appealing choice for those who prioritize convenience. In conclusion, both the Braun All-in-One Style Kit and the MANSCAPED Beard Hedger have their strengths. If you're looking for a versatile grooming tool that can handle various tasks, the Braun kit is a solid choice. However, if you want a dedicated beard trimmer that focuses on precision and ease of use, the MANSCAPED Beard Hedger is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more grooming comparisons.